What if your window blinds open themselves in the morning and closed automatically at night? Sounds futuristic. It's not. This is real and it's available right here in Dubai. Welcome to Fixit Design, your go-to expert for smart and stylish motorized blinds. Today, we'll show you how these blinds work, where to use them, why they're trending and why you might never go back to manual curtains again. Section 1. What are motorized blinds? Motorized blinds are automated window coverings that move with a remote, app, wall switch or even voice control. No cords, no effort, just comfort. At Fixit Design, we bring you premium quality motorized blinds in Dubai, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens, offices, studios, and meeting rooms, even sliding doors, skylights, and outdoor glass panels. And the best part, you don't need to lift a finger. Just tap your phone or ask Alexa. Section 2. What makes these blinds so smart? Ever wondered what happens when technology meets home decor? These blinds not only look amazing, but they also think for you. You can schedule them to move when you're not home, making it seem like someone is. They also help block heat, protect furniture from UV rays, and make your home feel cooler without using more AC. Section 3. Style and design options. Fixit Design offers one of the largest collections of smart blinds in Dubai. You'll find blackout blinds for 100% darkness, gray or white smart blinds for a clean, modern look, wooden and bamboo styles for natural elegance, and custom printed designs that match your interior perfectly. You can also choose light filtering, thermal insulated, or room darkening options fully made to measure. Whether you like minimalist luxury or artistic detail, we have something just for you. Section 4. What are they made of? Our motorized blinds are built to last, using high-grade materials such as aluminum for durability, polyester, linen, cotton, and silk fabrics for softness and style, vinyl for moisture-prone areas like kitchens and bathrooms, real wood for a warm, classic touch. These blinds not only perform well, but they feel and look premium too. Section 5. Major benefits. Here's why Dubai residents are switching to Fixit Design's motorized blinds. Energy efficiency. They help keep your home cool. Time saving. Set schedules once and forget. Smart integration. Works with phones, remotes, or voice assistants. 100% privacy and UV protection. Stylish looks for every room in your home or office. And here's a secret. They can increase your property value too. Section 6. Where can you use them? You can install motorized blinds in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices, studio rooms, glass panels, sliding doors, French doors, even outdoors. They're also perfect for skylights and high windows where manual blinds are just not practical. Section 7. Why Fixit Design? Fixit Design is Dubai's top-rated window treatment expert with over 9,000 reviews. We provide free measurements and free blind samples, fully custom-made designs, fast delivery, and expert installation. Up to 20% OFF on selected motorized blinds. We don't just sell products, we offer full home transformation experiences. Ready to turn your space into a smart, stylish, and cozy dream? Upgrade your space with Fixit Design, where smart living meets elegant design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's still pulling their blinds manually.